If you're staring at two quotes and one says Coleman whilst the other says Day and Night, you're not just choosing a brand. You're choosing the engineering philosophy that's going to live in your back garden for the next 15 years. I've spent nearly 2 decades in this industry, and before that, I was a nuclear power electrician. In the Navy, we didn't care about the brand name on the box. We cared about the technical specs and how it performed under pressure. Today, we're putting the Coleman XC4 head-to-head with the Day and Night N5A5S. Both of these are ducted split systems, and we're looking at the 14.3 SEER2 basic tier to see which one actually protects your wallet. Let's start with the build. When I look at a condenser, I look at how it protects the most vulnerable part, the coil. The Coleman XC4 features slotted panels. Now, these are definitely an upgrade over a flimsy wire guard because they offer more physical protection against hail and debris, but they aren't quite the gold standard. On the other side, the Day and Night N5A5S comes with a wire grill. From a field-tested perspective, that wire grill is the bare minimum. Whilst it allows for excellent airflow, it leaves those fragile aluminum fins completely exposed to weed whackers, hail, and neighborhood kids. If you have a lawn service that isn't careful or you live in a high traffic area, that lack of protection is a liability for your efficiency and the lifespan of the coil. Moving into the guts of the machine, both units are pushing a 14.3 SEER2 rating, which is the current baseline for efficiency. But let's talk about the electrical impact, the inrush current. Both of these models use a single stage scroll compressor. They don't have the fancy variable speed tech found in higher tiers, which means they're all or nothing. From an electrician standpoint, this means every time the system kicks on, you're getting a full load amp hit. The Day and Night operates slightly quieter at 71 decibels compared to the Coleman's 73, though both are on the noisier side for modern units. Now, let's talk brass tacks, the price. For a standard 3-ton setup, you're looking at a retail equipment cost of about $400 to $2,200 for the Coleman XC4 unit itself, with a total professional installation landing between $5,800 and $7,950. The Day and Night N5A5S equipment typically retails slightly lower, around $200 to $1,800, with installed prices ranging from $5,400 to $7,200. You're seeing a lower entry point on the Day and Night because they've stripped back the cabinet protection to the bare essentials. Before we get to the winner, here's a free tip from the field. If you don't wash that outdoor coil with a garden hose at least once a year, I don't care what brand you bought, you're shortening the life of that compressor by making it work twice as hard against high head pressure. Keep it clean and it'll keep you cool. The warranty battle is where the Coleman XC4 flexes its muscles. Both brands offer a standard 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty, but Coleman includes a 5-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails within the first 5 years, you don't just get a new part, you get a whole new outdoor unit. Day and Night offers 0 years for unit replacement in this specific basic tier. In my world, a full unit swap is a massive insurance policy that the other guy just isn't matching. So, who wins? For a homeowner's bottom line, the winner is the Coleman XC4. Even though it might cost a bit more upfront, the combination of slotted panels, which are far superior to the Day and Night's wire grill, and that 5-year unit replacement warranty makes it the smarter buy. You're getting better physical protection for your coil and a safety net for the most expensive part of the system. I'd rather have the slotted cabinet and the replacement guarantee over saving a few $100 on a unit with an exposed coil. Shop like a pro by checking out the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com to compare over 100 other models.